You believe it? Just 2 spark plugs. A magnet can generate electricity. Easy to light up the bulb. With this device, you can save a lot of money on your electricity bill in a year. And the method of making it is exceptionally simple to understand at a glance. Spend $1 on 2 spark plugs, a spool of copper wire, and a light bulb base. First use hot melt glue to paste the 2 spark plugs to the board. Pay attention to paste to the edge of the board. Then wrap a 20-centimeter long copper wire around a plastic rod and loop it around. And the wire will turn into a spring shape after being looped around the halo. Put rosin paste on both ends of the copper coil and use a soldering iron to connect the copper coil to the spark plug lug nut. Next, prepare 2 small sections of wire and attach them to the bulb base. Once the wires are connected, use hot melt glue to mount the bulb base to the board. The other end of the base wires also cite rosin flux paste, and then connect them to the electrodes of the spark plug. Next, remove the light bulb from the house and install it, so that the whole body of the power generator is made. Have you already learned it? Finally, take out a magnet. Pay attention to see, when the magnet and the spark plug shell touch together, the light bulb lit up. It is really amazing. Do you know what principle this is? Do you know how this works?